Guten Tag, guten Morgen. Nimpula vinaka. Gonganan doon na Vale ni Tui. Makawa sara. Ya taren na bakitin kelima on sanga bulkarua. Saru tu juga ni. Iya, saru tu lim nan raw na baki. Anak na tara na Vale ni Tui yang ko sa Makawa sara. Lewir na Vale ni Tui. Era wakatadani nangonan ni Valu. Na posible na kurun ni Valu lewe. Iya. Vambulu tuka ni ngoi Jamani. E nandoa na ngande leka ngo kinongo tokani o Sofia. E nandoa na castle. Se nandoa na Vale ni Tui sa Makawa sara. O ni taka ni na maro taka na video leka ngo. Peke ni nandoa tali taka na makumira ngo programo ni talo i Dr. T. O maro taka ni o mengande sartongo Jamani. E nandoa na lako bakatadaka. E ni koa i singa lala viau, karakini viau me ngole mai kina nongi tokani o Sofia, me mai wakasar-sar te ke oko e nalo mani Vale ni Tui ngo. Sa e hali tu e vimau mana sini Vale ngo, sa Makawa sara, e o marotaka ni rani kirome sar-sar e loma, rotanga ni $3 $5 na so ni turu-turu, e ana siti o chukmikin, bimbi mikia via rosanga bur kelimina minit ya rosanga bur ni ron reba mai me kele sarike ni ron motoka kele toke raya go sa dur sar me loma ke baka ni chunga Jamani ni me sara no sona bi Vale Makawa bakango me dala dur sar mandi loma se baka lava tu bule vinaka andia telete iya totokan dina dari da non marra vinaka na non rai tuku Makawa ira na kanda na kai Jamani tava kasamtaka roti makan lim nan raw na baki era bondo mena ose era bondo mai ke e rangai tako semai meradur mai ena mata-mata ni kor totokan dia dasar-sar manen oleh tengor bak Jamani sandina Gontone seni lalang ni bani. Sona ponongo pakat kun chukumia kadang potena bom na karoni balu lewu ene balu mai tare Jamani. Ya kalau ngate ni saroni ramar retel tu sona bobo ni Vale ko wotu ndong bule binak bule Elizabeth setay tatawake ndong bule binaka reapi sa tambua na sar-sar mdani loma so what can you read here, Sophia? Okay.
But I think inside here there's also like a foyer.
Oh, some information. Okay. Beautiful. So does this go back to the 1500s or even earlier? Maybe.
Even
Looks,
earlier.
yeah, looks old.
But
Wow.
the way you see it now, was it probably in 1500? What did you say?
Yeah, 1562.
Oh, yeah, okay. So I'm trying to read now.
Okay. Gonna bobo ni Vale loma. Sa tandur tunggu na loma ni Vale. Tartongo sona Vale ko nto kina bulbul taki. Nangonongo Yung ko si Wilik tiko Sofia na histimbeka ni Vale ko. Isa dake baka samtaka. Na kasal bango le mga nangon tandurong nga tunga na tuku talo no Makawa non ranangon na fairy tales lo kami go wakasamta ki Cinderella or Rapunzel what are some of your childhood memories of some stories when you were young? Elizabeth, what were some of your stories you remembered when you were a child? Cinderella, Rapunzel, I'm just trying to think of some of the old stories. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair. Wow. Ay, sana po nung masabat ang bigay mo kamu sombra kaya.
We can actually climb up on one of the towers.
Oh, really?
Actually on two.
Yes. I'm gonna view. May nakatatok eh? Robin Hood. Right? Robin Hood. Good. Excellent. Rangi toka. Yeah, very windy. Cinderella. Rapunzel. Trying to think. Lebanon tal no makawa.
Cinderella is not a German fairy tale.
Rapunzel is, Rapunzel is German. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair. I used to remember when my mother used to read me that story when I was little.
Really?
Yeah, we hear all these stories. So, go and go na palace, very ancient palace here in Germany. Marosar di Kuchki.
I just read it's one of the best preserved castles here in central Germany.
Wow.
Here actually it says Burgverlies, so here where the prisoners kept.
Oh.
I don't know, obviously it looked different back then, but this is what is left over.
So that's name Burgverlies.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Burg means like castle.
Oh, Burg is castle, and
It's like some prison.
oh, like a prison. So we are looking down on what used to be a prison. Wow, man, this is amazing. I mean, it's sad.
I don't even know yet.
Yeah, but it's going all the way down. So this is where the prisoners, when they were caught maybe from wars, prisoners of wars, they are put here until the king decides, on what to do with them. But it's quite deep, yeah? It goes all the way,
But you have to imagine it being different back then, no?
Right.
It was closed here. Of course, they had some
Like a dungeon, yeah?
They had some roof here.
Yes.
It was not open, of course.
Oh, yeah, it does look like a roof from here, see?
Yeah, this sure that looks a little bit.
Yeah.
And wow. How they build it now. Here the bricks, the stones, and then in between they put like this.
Like the
It's kind of a sand structure
Ah.
or some like small stone.
So like a mortar, Mortar.
Yeah.
Yeah, mortar. Itong korabanta ka na brick. Wala batu. So these are the rocks. So ang may na cement loloma baka na mortar, to hold the house together. Wow. Yes.
There was some glass or I don't know. So, but of course here it was destroyed. Here was maybe a roof or I don't know. So we can go inside there and read about.
Yes, let's go. Okay, I want to go to the highest one. Salak ko Rapunzel. The Fijian Rapunzel is on her way. I don't have long hair, but what does it say? Oh, look. What does it say?
Like, I'm still under construction.
Oh.
You are entering on your own risk.
Oh, okay.